Time to check out the fridge. It's got a built-in UV light. Not exactly the ASMR I was looking for. There's more! So, yeah. We need to put this together. See what's in here. Shelves. Strawberry vanilla. A little scoop for my ice. Oh my god, look at the little dogs. This is where UV resin's gonna go in. We'll pop it out. And then we got our little cover in a plate. Cute. Okay, so that's our make it any size. Oh, tiny little oranges to put inside. Olipop. Hershey's caramel syrup. Got supreme pizza.
I'll be putting this adorable fridge together and filling it with all these tiny foods next, so make sure you check back for more videos.